President, the chairperson, NOWA Education Committee, the commandants and the deputy commandants, the members of the Education Committee, NOWA, and the teachers.
Check on your devices at least once a year. What did I say? Run cyber check on your devices at least once a year.
I tell teachers and administrators that technology is in stages. You know where you are and you develop from there. Do you know that you can sit down today and prepare all your presentation for the rest of the term? It's AI. That's why it is here to help us.
Now, this is where you write the topic that you want, what you want the AI to do for you. So for her, what's your topic, ma'am? So click on that describe and let us describe to the AI what we want the AI to do for us.
Infiltrate our data and also how we can protect some of our information from hackers. Then the last lecture or workshop we just had, I really enjoyed that. So at least I've learned how to write my lesson notes in a very simple and easy way. That is made sense. I've not used AI before in writing lesson notes, but from what I've learned today, in fact, I'm just smiling to myself because sometimes there are topics we need to write in our lesson notes. We'll be looking for textbooks, and the textbook actually will not really give it to you the way you'll be able to deliver to these children.
The plant lesson notes will be right on time.
The symptoms of malware, because I've been having some of those symptoms and I don't really know what to do. So now that I've learned about it, control. So the last topic, when I generated mine, I was so excited because I saw many ways, not just writing on the lesson notes, because I teach the little ones. I see many ways that I can impart those knowledge to them. Because when I see the picture aspect of my topic, it gave me some inspiration on how to deliver my lessons to them. So thank you very much.
The AI not those my instructional materials because of those pictures. But when those children see, understand what you are trying to pack.
With the help of AI, I think I'm good to go with my presentation in class. Thank you.
Now, Cisco partners with school to develop students for that future. It is if you partner with us, we are in your school. You don't have to look for. But however, our office is in Ikoyi. Yes, our head office is in Ikoyi. And again, like I said, if your school is an academy, for the teachers, you need not to worry. We have good packages for you as well. Workshops like this. Then also, some people have been talking about doing courses, as teachers on our Cisco platform. We have a lot of courses. We even have a course that has to do with English for people that are not in tech.
I most sincerely thank our doctors for sharing your knowledge and expertise with us. We are deeply grateful to you for your dedication and seriousness you put in these presentations. I
also appreciate NOWA Education Committee for this initiative. We hope it will continue.